Hi guys, so this is Crafty Kim here. Thank you for stopping by my channel. Today I just want to share with you guys another Etsy listing. I will be listing this in my Etsy shop. This is another kitchen gingerbread wall decor. I have it hanging on the wall, and this doll is just so super cute. She has some white little pantaloons on, and she has a removable apron. Inside her apron she has this cute little spoon, and you can take her off the rolling pin if you wanted to and sit her down. Maybe you don't want her on the wall. You can actually, she has elastic holding her hands to the rolling pin, and you can sit her down, reposition her, even put her on her belly if you wanted to. I think she came out so uber cute. And yeah, so she will be listed in my Etsy shop. That's Crafty Kim shop on Etsy. Also, please check out my Instagram, which is Crafty Kim 777. I will leave all the information in the description box, and thank you guys for watching.